Mill Square Tower, also known as 100 South Ellsworth Avenue. Wow, what are these?
That's a sensor.
This is a newer OTIS with these. So they still make those.
This is a very old building.
Look at those indicators.
Oh! Weird. Wow, these go down. Ooh,
Older innovation. Wow. What is it? Hey. Nice. We can go all the way up. It's a really tall building. Older Innovation Universal with the metal content. These. Look at this.
What? Oh, yeah, press. I'll show that in a second.
To be used in case of fire button needs to be there. Yeah, I wonder what that's for.
I'll switch down here.
Yeah.
Floors, not bad.
Ooh, eyeline. With silver. That's a bit newer. Oh yeah, look at these lanterns. Why did they have it down on them? Look at that. Yep, Westinghouse interlock. Wow.
The original controllers, I think. Actually, no, they're not. I take that back.
Look at this old sign.
These are probably original. Oh no, this is an older one. Did they have OTIS call buttons on the first floor?
Yeah, and those weird like LCD indicators on the first floor too. Like the first floor looks totally more modern than like any other floor. Those are weird.
Look, they say up when they change directions, they say on there.
Watch this indicator for a bit.